Welcome to our channel. If your Fire Stick is stuck in an endless optimizing storage loop, follow these troubleshooting steps to fix this frustrating issue and restore normal operation. Step 1. Understand that the optimizing storage loop occurs when your Fire Stick's internal storage becomes corrupted or too full, causing the system to repeatedly attempt to reorganize files without success. Step 2. First, try a simple restart. Unplug your Fire Stick from the power source and your TV. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and allow the device to boot completely. Step 3. If the restart doesn't work, clear the cache of problematic apps. Go to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications, select each app, and choose Clear Cache to free up storage. Step 4. Uninstall apps you don't use to free up internal storage. Navigate to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications, select Unused Apps, and click Uninstall to remove them permanently. Step 5. Check for system updates that might fix the optimization bug. Go to Settings My Fire TV about Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your device. Step 6. If the issue persists, try a force stop of the optimization process. While the device is stuck optimizing, unplug it immediately, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in to interrupt the cycle. Step 7. As a more aggressive solution, perform a factory reset by going to Settings My Fire TV Reset to Factory Defaults. This will erase all data but should resolve persistent storage issues. Step 8. If none of these solutions work, contact Amazon support, as your Fire Stick may have a hardware defect requiring replacement, especially if it's still under warranty coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.